If you've never driven before, ever, you might not know what to do with the steering wheel. So in this video, we're going to go through a couple ways that are good ways to steer, and we'll go through some methods that are not good. Now, I usually don't recommend turning the steering wheel when the car is stopped. That's called dry steering, and it's not really good on the car on the power steering, but I might do it a bit here just so you can see what I'm doing. The shuffle steering is one way to steer the car. Inside the steering wheel is an airbag, and if that did come out in a crash one day, it comes out at 300 kilometers an hour. So that's why we don't want to put the hands like this. That's a big no-no for the road test. So when you do shuffle steering, you keep your hands at the same place on the wheel kind of thing. So they're both going to be going down like this, or they're going to be here like this. They're going to be going up like this at the same time, or they're going to be going down like this at the same time. So if I wanted to do a right turn, I would start by grabbing the wheel up here with the right hand, and I would turn it like this. And this hand, this left hand, it's going to go down at the same time, but it's not going to be actually doing anything. It's just going to be kind of sliding like this. So this right hand is going to do everything, and then they're going to go like this. And then when they meet at the bottom, the left hand is going to grab the wheel. This right one is just going to slide up. And they'll meet somewhere up there at the top. Then you can do the same thing if you need to steer more. So the right hand is going to pull the wheel, and the left hand is just going to slide down. And you can kind of do the same thing. And that's it. So to bring it back, I'm going to start with the left hand. It's going to pull down. This right hand is just going to slide. Meet at the bottom. Right hand's going to grab it. Left hand's going to slide. Meet at the top. Left hand's going to grab it. Right hand's going to slide. And usually I don't do that when the car is stopped because it's kind of hard on the power steering. So usually when you're driving, your car will be moving anyway, so that won't be a problem. Okay, so I found a tiny parking lot. Let's show you the shuffle steering again. So I'm going to start both kind of like that. And then to bring it back, right hand is going to grab it, pass it back and forth, like that. The only thing about the shuffling is it's kind of slower, it takes a longer time, so it's good for like everyday driving, but if you need to do a U-turn or parking, the hand over hand will be much faster. Like, see how much faster that is? It's a lot faster. So if you need to do parking or a U-turn or something, like especially like if I'm here and I want to turn the steering wheel all the way the other way, I would have to go like this. And it would be pretty fast. If I did it the other way, it would be slower. Slower. So let's show you how this would look in real life. Let's do a right turn. Before we stop, so I'm gonna do it in slow motion. So pull it, and then I kind of hold it there, and then bring it back. I'm practicing my driving. That's why I'm calling you back. Whoa, it's so steep. can also use a combination of steering. You can do a hand over hand like this to turn, and then you can shuffle it to bring it back. That is perfectly fine. It is very soundly. And personally, I think that's what I do. I use a combination because why not? The main thing with the steering wheel is that you're controlling the car. I know, it's very amazing. So let's do that again. I don't know why this little street is so busy. Don't grab it like that. Your hand is over the airbag, your arm is over the airbag, and it's just not good control. The other way we don't want to see is the palming type of thing, like this. Again, it's just not very good control over the car. What else is there? Some people wonder if you can turn the steering wheel, like say you turn it a certain way, and then you can just let the wheel slide through your hands on your way back. And the answer is you can do that if you like to, as long as you're controlling the car nicely. Because again, that's what it's about, controlling the car. So you can let it slide through your hands. Personally, I don't do that a lot because I just like to know that I'm controlling the car every single second. So let's say I was doing the shuffling again, I would pull it down like that, push it up. I kind of don't need to do any more because I'm just turning a little corner here. There's my hand over hand and steering, shuffle back. Another thing I want to mention is that the steering wheel is, this is going to sound crazy, but the steering wheel is for steering. So a lot of people, especially when they're new, they kind of grab it like with this death grip, like really hard. And what that does is just make it harder for you to control the car. So really try to have a relaxed grip on the steering wheel. Highly recommended. The steering wheel has one purpose, and that is to steer the car. I know it sounds crazy. I will always think about you. That's why I'm calling you back.